Hi guys, today I'm going to discuss about the trigonometric table. It is very useful in your SSC and higher educations also. Before going to start the trigonometric table, we have to remember 6 main things. They are sine values. Sine values are 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Write in your table first sine values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Next come to the cos. Cos is nothing but a reverse of a sine values. Reverse of sine values. Reverse of sine values are 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Right here this one and root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Next come to the tan. Already we know the formula for a tan. Tan is sin theta by cos theta. From this table already we know the values of sin theta and cos theta. First write here sin values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1 divided by cos values. Cos values are 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Before going to solve this, we have to know the three formulas. That is, first one is any value by 0 equals to infinity, and second one is 0 by any value equals to always 0, and third one is any value by infinity equals to 0. Here we have 0 by 1 is there. So any value by 0 is infinity, 0 by any value equals to 0 and any value by infinity equals to 0. Here we have 0 by 1, that is 0 by any value is always 0. And next here denominator 2 get cancelled, then we get 1 by root 3. Here also denominator we have root 2 get cancelled, then we get 1 by 1, that is equals to 1. Here in the denominator we have 2 and here also in the denominator we have 2. 2 get cancelled, then we get root 3 by 1, that is equals to root 3. Here 1 by 0 is there, that is any value by 0 is infinity. 1 by 0 is always infinity. Write in your table tan values are 0, 1 by root 3 and 1 by 1 is 1 only. Here root 3 by 1 is root 3 and 1 by 0 is infinity. Next come to the cot. Cot is reverse of a tan values. Reverse of tan. Similarly sine and cos, here also reverse cot values are reverse of a tan values, that is infinity. Next root 3 and 1 by root 3, write this 0 here. Next come to the secant. Secant is, we have one formula for secant, that is 1 by cos. Already we know the cos values from trigonometric table. Write here 1 by cos 1 and 1 by cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and 1 by cos 45 is 1 by root 2, 1 by cos 60 is 1 by 2 and 1 divided by cos 90 is 0. So 1 by cos equals to 1 by 1, 1 by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 divided by 1 by 2 and 1 by 0. 1 by 1 value is always 1. Here in the denominator we have 2. This 2 goes to the numerator, then we get 2 by root 3. And here also this denominator root 2 goes to the numerator, then we get root 2 by 1. Here also this denominator goes to the numerator, then we get 2 by 1 that is equals to 2, and here we have 1 by 0, that is any value by 0 is always infinity. Write in your table secant values are 1, 2 by root 3 and root 2. Here 2 by 1 is 2 and infinity. Next come to the cosec values. Cosec is nothing but reverse of secant values. Okay, write here secant values, that is infinity, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and this one.